I've made a mission in my life that I will not buy books for more than 50 rupees. Hello everyone, my name is Himani and welcome back to my channel Read with Himani. Today I'm back with another unboxing of these two book boxes from this popular website Worthing and Bookchore. If you're not familiar with these websites already, they sell pre-loved books at very affordable, cheap prices. So I'm really a suspense, mystery, crime thriller kind of a person, but I promised myself to read books from different genres and explore more. Now, if you're a broke bibliophile like myself, then buying pre-loved books is an absolute winner. So when I saw this huge sale on these two websites, I thought this was a perfect opportunity to buy books at a cheap rate from these websites and explore and find out more about these genres. So when I found a book set of 3 books from this website called worthing.in, I thought this was a great opportunity to put my plan into motion. So I can't wait to unbox and share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the package, you guys, from worthing.in, and I'm not gonna show you the front of the package because of privacy reason. So let's unbox and get into this package as quick as possible. So the first book is Life Lessons from Kierkegaard by Robert Ferguson. Gorgeous cover and brand new book, I must say. Really good quality. Second book is Life Lessons from Nietzsche from John Armstrong. Really pretty. Third, we have Life Lessons from Freud by Brett Carr. Gorgeous. So this is the School of Life trio, and I found this set at only 200 rupees, guys. Can you believe it? And this is brand new condition from Worthing. So I'll read the blurb from these books so you get a better idea of why I chose these philosophers. So the first we have Sigmund Freud by Brett Carr. Sigmund Freud is best known as the father of psychoanalysis. Born in 1856, he was a physiologist, medical doctor, and psychologist who spent most of his life in Vienna, Austria. He developed revolutionary ideas about the unconscious mind, repression, the meaning of dreams, and the clinical method of treatment through dialogue. Here you will find insights from his greatest works. The Life Lesson series from the School of Life takes a great thinker and highlights those ideas most relevant to us today. These books show how wise voices from the past have urgently important and inspiring things to tell us. This book is written by Professor Brett Carr, Senior Clinical Research Fellow in Psychotherapy and Mental Health. That's amazing, right? Can't wait to dive into this. Next up, we have Life Lessons from Kierkegaard by Robert Ferguson. Søren Kierkegaard was a Danish philosopher, theologian, literary stylist, and social critic. Born in 1813 in Copenhagen, his philosophical work addressed living as a single individual and the importance of personal choice. A famously fierce critic of the idealist thinkers of his time, he is regarded as the first existential philosopher. Here you will find insights from his greatest works. This book is written by Robert Ferguson, author of Viking History and biographer. He has published 2 novels in Norwegian and is also an award-winning dramatist. Lastly, we have Nietzsche by John Armstrong. Friedrich Nietzsche was a German philosopher, poet, and cultural critic. He is best known for his controversial idea of life affirmation that challenged traditional morality and doctrines. Born in 1844 outside Leipzig, Germany, his teaching inspired people in all walks of life, from dancers and poets to psychologists and social revolutionaries. Here you will find insights from his greatest works. This book is written by John Armstrong, philosopher and author of In Search of Civilization, and the School of Life book, How to Worry Less About Money. Nietzsche, Kierkegaard, and Freud are interpreted by these authors, John Armstrong, Robert Ferguson, and Brett Carr. I think it's really helpful that these authors help us simplify and understand these great thinkers better and maybe implement some of it in my life. Maybe let's see how good it is, and maybe I can gain knowledge and implement some of the teachings of these great thinkers in my life. For someone who has never dived into the world of philosophy before, I think this is a great book to learn more about these famous thinkers and philosophers, and this is very beginner friendly. And the other good thing I like about these books are, look how thin these are. So it's less intimidating, you know what I mean? Like, for a beginner, I think it's perfect. You can still pick up this set from worthing.com. I think it's still available, so I'll leave the link in the description down below for you to check it out. Oh, I almost forgot. This book set comes with 2 little bookmarks. It says read at your own speed. Super cute. There's a little turtle on it. 2 of them. And advertisement on the back. Really cute. In the spirit of trying out new genres and spreading out and trying different kind of books, I bought this set of 5 books from Bookstore. So Bookstore has a special section called Loot Store, and I was exploring this section one day and I found this set of 5 books for only 249 rupees. Can you believe it? And this was listed as new on the website. And look at guys, the cling film is still attached on the books. Amazing. I'm really happy by the looks of it. And let's unwrap and see what it is. Let's do a little ASMR. And I also got a little note saying, "Hello Himani, Bookstore welcomes you into this family of the world's most adorable bibliophiles. Hope you have the best time here. Happy reading." How sweet, Bookstore. Thank you. The first book I have is A Full Night's Thievery, Stories by Mitra Fukan. Look at you guys. Brand new book. Wow. So the original MRP status is $2.99 and I got it at 50 rupees. That's an amazing deal. So I'll read the blurb. In this collection, Mitra Fukan sounds the rhythms of contemporary Assamese society, deftly weaving universal themes of love, loss, and aging with some of the issues facing the region: militancy, witchcraft, and the breakdown of traditional ways of life. Her stories acutely depicts people's struggles to relate to each other across past social gulfs and within the intricacies of family and love. Intimate, elusive, and dryly observed, A Full Night's Thievery is a finely drawn portrait of humanity by one of the most prominent literary voices in Assam today. Wow, I'm really excited to read this. It is a collection of short stories by this Assamese author. Great book to add to my collection. So the next book we have Tourist Season, 2 novellas. So this is a set of 2 short stories by Jaina Sangha. Look at the gorgeous book cover. This color is so pretty. The MRP is listed as $2.99 again. Let's read the blurb. A compelling duet of novellas in exquisite prose that capture the nuances of time and place, each one featuring a protagonist who is at heart a dreamer. So it's a collection of 2 books, Tourist Season and In the River. Next up we have Anil Chopra, Unforeseen Desires. Such a pretty book cover. Really loving this book cover. This is also listed as $2.99 rupees and I got it for 50 rupees. It is the 1970s and the emergency is at its peak. Arun, an idealistic young man, is a medical intern in Dehradun whose life takes an unexpected turn when he is accused of losing a senior doctor's wedding rings. A charming, often poignant novel that captures the lush beauty of Dehradun, Unforeseen Desires is a bittersweet coming-of-age story. Next we have Lord of the Global Village by Ranendra. Translated from the Hindi by Rajesh Kumar. The Americas were generous enough to preserve the literatures and ruins of the Incas, the Mayans, the Aztec, and the Native Americans in a number of museums. But the self-proclaimed liberal and tolerant Indian culture had spread not even that much space for the Asuras. They exist only as vestiges of myth. Ranendra, through Lords of the Global Village, has taken the very necessary praiseworthy step of conveying the stories of people standing on the margins. If you are seeking to understand the limits of your thought and the pains and tribulation of vast population of this country, you will find in this book complete honesty. This is listed as 250 rupees. And last but not the least, we have Tram 83 by Fiston Mwazna Mujila. This is the thickest book of the collection so far. And longlisted for the Man Booker International Prize 2016, winner of the Etisalat Prize for Literature 2015. Wow, this sounds like an amazing book. Tram 83 was one of the most popular restaurants and hookah bars. Its renown stretching beyond the city-state's border, "See Tram 83 and die" was the regular refrain of the tourists who blew into town from the four corners of the globe to conduct their business. During the day, they wandered zombie-like through the mining concession they owned by the dozen, and at night, they ended up in Tram 83 to refresh their memory. This gave the place every appearance of a true theatre, if not a massive circus. This book is listed at 350 rupees, and all these books are from the same publication, that is the Speaking Tiger publication. Look, all brand new books. Such interesting story. And I also got a Lord of the Rings bookmark from Bookchore. Only one with all these books. Cute. I highly recommend checking these websites out. I don't think you can get a set of these 5 books from Bookchore anymore, but they have different amazing sets for very affordable prices. So I'll leave all the links down in the description below. And that was the video, you guys. Please leave a huge thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel down below. It'll be of great help to me. Thank you for watching and see you next time with another haul. Bye.